Welcome back, Snack Pack, to another slightly interesting vlog. Today is the day. I have finished my gaming system. I know that most of the components work. I haven't actually turned it on yet. A couple of things that are in here. I do have, well, there's a big glare. There is 8 gigabytes of HyperX, I think it's 1333 DDR3 RAM. There is an 8-core AMD processor on a gigabyte motherboard, just kind of basic motherboard, didn't really want to spend a whole lot on it. There is an XFX RX 270 graphics card in there, and I actually did do the fan swaps in it, so they should be blue LED as long as everything shows up fine. This is all inside of a Corsair Carbide 240, Air 240 micro ATX case. I do have an EVGA 700 watt bronze power supply, and the reason I actually kind of went with this case was it does look absolutely awesome. Everything's separated. Everything on this side is all the main components, and everything on the back side is actually like the power supply, and it has its own fan and everything else and all the cables. So this looks mostly clean. This is the first time I have built a system. It did take me a while just to get the money and everything else. But without further ado, I know at least one thing works. The power is connected to the front AO, because the keyboard, and I don't know if you can see, but the mouse is actually powered. So this is the first startup of it. Hopefully, as long as everything is plugged in. Yay! Everything works. That is what I was hoping for, and man, those look awesome. Those blue LEDs really light up everything. And they actually don't spin all the time. That's pretty freaking wicked. I guess because it's not under load or anything. But that's about it. That's all I got for right now. But hopefully this will make the videos a lot better graphics wise. I am going to be doing the same Valley benchmark that I did on the piece of crap laptop that I was on through this, and see what the difference is. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. If so, don't forget to leave a like and leave any comments you want to about what you would like to see in this in the future. I know I do want to change the case eventually to the Air 540. It's a little bigger, and it does have, this one actually doesn't have an optics drive, so no CD drive in this at all, which was kind of a bummer. I didn't really pay attention whenever I got it. But the 540 does have a spot for an optics drive. So if you want to see that, I'll definitely try to do that eventually. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. If so, don't forget to like. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more content from this beast. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.